Now we will move ahead to the next and last stages of human mankind, that is Homo sapiens sapien. We, the modern human, are Homo sapiens sapien. Homo sapiens sapien is a name given to humans as their capacity of think and development even further than that of Homo sapien. The capacity of their brain and their grasping power also develop further with the time. So we modern human as known as Homo sapiens sapien. The appearance of health characteristic of human being indicate their similarity to their ancestor. He had developed the technique of cultivating land and keeping animals. Because of their well developed capacity to think to speed at which they improve their technology, increasing with time. They began to live more settled life. They began to grow food grains. They began to grow food grains in the fields. As a result, the amount of carbohydrates in their food increased. The change lifestyle and their diet affect the appearance of humans, and their body and face grew smaller than they had been in earlier generation due to the diet of the and lifestyle of Homo sapiens sapien. The name Homo sapiens sapien reflects their intellectual and culture rather than physical powers. All animals must necessarily meet their basic need for food. However, modern humans are not satisfied with only doing that much. Through their efforts to enrich their lives using their creativity, intelligent and skilled human being acquired a culture and continue to develop it. The technology and cultural progress achieved by modern human after the beginning of agriculture and domestication of animal has been extremely rapid. So what we learn about Homo sapiens sapien, that is we are modern human are known as Homo sapiens sapien. The Homo sapien as their capacity of think developed even further than that of Homo sapiens. He had developed the technique of cultivating land and keeping animals. He cultivated many types of crops. Due to the lifestyle and the diet affect the appearance of humans, Homo sapiens sapien. That's why their body and face grew smaller than they had been in the earlier generation. They reflect their intellectual and culture rather than their physical awareness. So, in this way, this lesson is finished. What we have learned today, students? We have learned today the stages of evolution of mankind. The first stage we learn Homo habilis. In Homo habilis, what we learn in shortcut, I am going to tell you. Homo habilis, the skilled human, Homo erectus, who stands straight. Then third one is Neanderthal, the new art of making fire. Then next is Homo sapien, intelligent man, and Homo sapiens sapien is a modern human. He had capacity, he having lots of capacity to think. He is an intellectual man.